Oh man, I cannot believe how much time I just wasted trying to get rigged up. I tied on a new bait, and of course I had to put on my waders, and I decided to drive to a little bit farther away area today, so I'm really hurting for time today, buddy. I'm telling you, I'm really hurting for time. Oh yeah, lunch break fishing. That's the deal today. Holy crap, that's a sinkhole. Can't forget to put my directions into work so I can figure out when I'm going to be back. I can't believe how clear this water is, man, seriously. It's so quiet today. No wind. I can't believe how quiet it is today and how calm it is. It's beautiful. That's one of the best parts about being able to do this on my lunch breaks, man. It's just, I can see fish over there. I just saw a belly flash. What I was getting ready to say is that's just, oh, that was a hit. I don't know what that was, if it was a creek chub or what that attacked my lure just now, but it was a little doot, little taps. But that's what I was saying, is that it's just so nice to be able to just come out here and it's just quiet. Something's biting me, I got a fish on, and he lost it. That's what I do on my lunch breaks. Yeah. Really? We got a big winter storm warning for tomorrow, Saturday. Apparently there's like talks of like 8 inches of snow and ice, and I'm ready for winter to be over. I do like winter, but it gets old. When I see fish, I just scared fish away. Once again, I really should be moving on down or upstream, but I'm limited on time, and I see fish over there and I just had a hit. I'm just gonna stick with it right here for a little bit, maybe the whole time, I don't know. Until I get hung up at least. So clear. I pulled a monster out of here a couple months, well, I guess it was last year. November time frame, I think it was, maybe early December. Pulled a real nice one out of here, smallie. And it was right over here by this log. There's a nice deep hole where I'm casting. And they were all staged up in there, just conserving calories. I'm gonna do one more cast over here, and then I'm gonna take off down the creek a little bit. Check my phone. If I leave right now, I'll be back by 12:18. I've gotta really play my cards right today. I took way too much time getting ready. One more cast over there. I see a ledge over there. Matter of fact, I see a little pocket right over here. It's in between, there's like a cut in the trees. If I could get over there, I'm afraid if I get it hooked into one, I'm gonna get snagged up though. And that current is not doing me any justice either. Yeah. I couldn't keep it in that pocket. I think I should have used a heavier jig head, to be honest with you, but it's whatever. I do believe that I've spooked him. I keep saying last cast, but I just can't help it. Drag it right over top of that log. There it goes. I felt it fall. Let it sit for a minute. Pop, pop. There it is right there. That's it right there. I knew he had it. Got one. It fell right over top of that log. I let it sit and I felt him. Awesome. What a fish. What a fish. Gosh, creek smallies are the best fighting fish, I swear. If you've never done it, if you ever get the chance, go do it. It is so great. Oh, let's let this little bugger go. You ready? Oh, there he goes. Little bitty guy. Let's move on down the ways here a little bit. Ooh, I feel like I should be really, because there's a lot of deep water right over here. Man, these weed guards get messed up really easy. I do believe that the other day that cost me a fish was a messed up weed guard. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm glad I came down this way because there's some deep water over here. Just casted it right up on the shore. That's good though. I like that. Oh. Ooh. Oh, weeds. I'm a premature hook setter, man. I can't help it. Sometimes it's just, the weeds just feel too good. Feels just like a fish sometimes, you know? And this water is deep as hell. Holy crap. Ooh, but scary at the same damn time. Holy crap balls of fire. I do not want to get stuck in a bad position because I've got to go back to work. God, this water is so clear. Oh man, that wind makes it so hard to see the bottom. I gotta get back. Oh my gosh, dude, I can't see. Please don't get a wet crotch, Derek. Please don't. I'm walking on my tippy toes right now. Awesome. Let's see if I can pull a couple more out of this little hole over here, and then I gotta get going. So, I got a couple more casts. I wanna know where that one I just caught, where its daddy is, or its big mama. Where is it? Oh yeah. Good cast. I'm gonna pull it right up over that log again. I can feel it, and there it goes. I bet you he went back and told his friends. He said, hey man, if you guys see this little worm looking thing, kind of green see-through with black dots and a black head on it, that thing sucks. It hurts my mouth. Don't touch it. Don't eat it. Because fish can talk, just to let you know. That was a snag cast right there, buddy. That is a snag waiting to happen. Oh, no, I felt it. It went over the top again. So these lunch break fishing videos, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I'm gonna do, how often I'm gonna do it. Obviously I'm gonna do it as often as I can, but I don't know if it's gonna, I mean, I can't guarantee a fish every time. I don't want it to be boring by any means, but I guess it's just gonna depend on the feedback that I get from people that watch and stuff like that. That's what it's gonna depend on. I'm gonna keep fishing every day on my lunch break. There's no doubt about that, but nope. Oh, shit. Well, hey, can't win them all. So I just want to say thanks for watching again. And if you like these videos, let me know so I can continue to do what I do. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.